pump station pumps the sewage from the low area to a larger interceptor to whichever treatment plant that interceptor is connected to. The bearings do wear out after a few years. The longer the hours, the shorter their lifespan, and also how dirty the pump station is. We keep our interceptors and sewers pretty clean so they don't get a lot of grit on them, and that saves on the life of the pump. This pump will look like that pump when it's filled in your belt.